Masarap sabihin, it is well with my soul. At yan ang dahilan kaya tayo mayroong Diyos, kaya tayo may pananalig para payapa ang ating espiritu. Subalit nakakalungkot na napakaraming tao hindi masabi yan sa maraming bahagi ng kanilang buhay, that it is well with my soul. Na napakaraming mga tao ay bagabag at malungkot. Loneliness is a silent epidemic. Too much of it, too much of loneliness can lead to depression. It can lead to illness, and in some grave cases, loneliness ends up in suicide. Hindi dapat ganon ang nangyayari sa lungkot ng tao. Bouts of loneliness must be faced with strength and creativity. Bahagi na yata talaga ng fallen nature of man, bahagi na talaga ng buhay na may mga kalungkutan ang dapat malampasan. Hindi dapat ang tao natatalo ng ilang minuto, ilang oras, ilang araw, ilang linggo ng kalungkutan. The important thing is to survive it because there is so much of life ahead. There is so much of God's promises that still have to be claimed, and there is so much in life. Hindi dapat ang tao natatalo ng mga dalaw ng mga kalungkutan.